Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Capital One miles, tailored to help you maximize the value of your rewards. Capital One miles are a type of travel reward that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and other travel expenses. To get started, you need to have a Capital One credit card that earns miles, such as the Capital One Venture or Capital One Spark. First, log into your Capital One account online or through the mobile app to access your miles balance. You can find your miles balance on the account dashboard or by navigating to the rewards section. Take note of the number of miles you have available for redemption. Next, decide how you want to use your miles. You can redeem them for travel purchases, such as flights, hotels, or car rentals, or transfer them to airline or hotel partners. Capital One has partnerships with several major airlines and hotels, including Air Canada, Avianca, and Wyndham Hotels. To redeem your miles for travel purchases, simply book your travel as you normally would and then use the Purchase Eraser feature to offset the cost with your miles. This feature allows you to redeem your miles for statement credits towards travel purchases made within the last 90 days. Alternatively, you can transfer your miles to airline or hotel partners. This option often provides more value, especially if you have a specific loyalty program in mind. To transfer your miles, navigate to the rewards section of your account and select the transfer option. Choose the partner program you want to transfer to and follow the prompts to complete the transfer. Best practices for using Capital One miles include redeeming them for travel purchases, as this often provides the most value. You can also consider transferring your miles to partner programs, especially if you have a large balance. Additionally, be mindful of the miles expiration policy, as Capital One miles do not expire as long as your account is active. In conclusion, using Capital One miles is a straightforward process that can help you maximize the value of your rewards. By following these steps and considering your redemption options carefully, you can make the most of your miles and enjoy discounted or free travel. Always keep an eye on your miles balance and plan your redemptions strategically to get the best value from your rewards.